So you might have seen the Archer and Olive subscription boxes and might be wondering if they're actually worth the price or the hype. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Archer and Olive subscription box for September, and I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it or not. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This box, I paid it. It wasn't gifted. This video is not a sponsor, and so I'm going to review each product and gonna give you my honest thoughts. My name is Myra with Vial Designs, helping you become more creative by learning calligraphy, and in this channel I create simple to follow calligraphy and hand lettering tutorials with occasional doodles and unboxing and product review like this one. So if this is your first time here, consider subscribing and hitting the like button for more videos like this one. Let's go ahead and open this box. One of the things that I love is the attention to detail that each of these boxes have. So this one has like an embossed florals on it, and the color is just beautiful. And another thing to note is that this is an environmental friendly package, which is a plus. And so let's go ahead and open it. And so this box didn't have any extra packaging or anything like that because it is full of goodies, and so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and show you each product. So here is everything that was inside the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open and review each of these items, and I'm gonna leave my favorite for last, so make sure you stay until the end of this video. The first thing that I am going to open is this weekly calendar sticker roll, and the box itself is so cute. And so when you open it, you can see all the amount of stickers that it has. Everything is with the Archer and Olive logo. I really love all the details that they put on everything. So a couple of things to notice is that the stickers come with the color scheme. So you're gonna have the blue ones, and it is calendar and notes, and I already used one. I'm going to show you right here. I used it on my current bullet journal to put the date. One thing to note is that it is a little bit of on a glossy side, so when you are going to use them on your bullet journal, make sure that you use a pen that is not a gel pen because it is gonna smash. I always use the Pigeon letters, the Monoline Studio pens. These are my favorite, and these are the ones that I'm using right now, and it didn't smudge. But if you use it with gel pens, it will. Next, we have this pen and accessory bag, and again the same color scheme. I really love the color. I do think it's maybe a little bit plain, so I might add something in the cover part. And again, the attention to detail with the ampersand logo, and so it has 2 of these, and it has 7 on each row to put 7 markers, and so you will be able to fit a total of 28 markers in here. To give you a little bit of an idea of how big this pencil case is, you can put the Tombow markers and they will fit in here. So the Tombow markers will fit perfectly in here, and I also like that it has room to put your markers on, because some of the cases are very tight when you're putting the markers. So these will give you room to put the Tombow Dual Brush Pen or the Fudenowski or any other type of pens that you have. On to this super cute moving on, there are 3 super cute journals, and so this first one is a Blackout Grid, 112 pages, and it is the same quality, the 160 grams thick paper. So we have the blackout, we have the white paper, and then we have craft paper. And all of these are dark grid journals, so let me go ahead and open them so you can see them inside. So here they are out of the plastic packaging, and right away, if you can see this foil effect of the packaging, the package is, this little box is really sturdy, and I'm obsessed with this foil in the box. So the first one that I'm opening, oh my goodness, this is so cute, so cute. It's the craft paper dark grid notebook, and again, the attention to detail in the packaging is amazing, and if you're a stationery lover, you can appreciate that. So it comes with the elastic band here to close it, and also a little pen holder. And this is just like it is a mini version of the big journals, and also the bookmark here, and of course this gorgeous pendant at the end. So it has 2 bookmarks, and I love the color as well. Okay, now let's open the next one. Again, the gorgeous foil effect on the box. This is the white with the white pages, ultra white, and then also the bookmarks over here. And last but not least, this is the blackout book. We're taking with 2 bookmarks and the beautiful pendant at the end. And I also like that all of them has a little pocket, so you can still put things inside of here. Moving on, we have this beautiful postcard, and it has this wax seal, which again is very, very beautiful. And if you're a stationery lover, you can most definitely appreciate all the details. Okay, I have the power to create change. It is a beautiful inspirational postcard that you can display. I really like it. And now we have a sticker book. It says that it has 3 sheets, smooth matte finish. Well, I do see here more than 3, but let's check. So I guess it has 3 different designs. Goes all with the theme for this month. So it has 2 sheets of each design. So I guess it's 3 different designs and then 2 sheets each. This is so beautiful. I really like these stickers. So moving on, the next thing that we have is a set of 3 adhesive pockets. And even the packet that it comes in is really beautiful. Again, you can appreciate this foil and the packaging. So it's 3 of them. And so these are great to put in the back of your bullet journal, just to keepsakes, save receipts, or anything like that. And then we have the coloring pages, and I really like this cutout that it has up front. So let's go ahead and look at the coloring sheets. So it has these gems, and then this one with a more intricate design. This one is so beautiful as well. Okay, so everything is with the geometric design. I really like this. The only thing that I'm noticing that it might be a little bit hard to use with regular colors or regular watercolor pens, just because these are very shiny. Okay, and last but not least, the Caliograph brush pens and practice lettering set. So right away you can tell the design on this box is amazing, so beautiful. It comes with a magnetic tab over here. Okay, and so when you open it, it has the lettering guide, the brush lettering guide. And the cool thing about this is that you can practice on them and swipe. It has the numbers and then a quote. And then it has the 5 different pens. The good thing about this is that it has 2 different tip sizes, a large tip and a small tip, which I think is amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them and let you know what I think about this. I wanted to bring you a little bit closer and test the Caleograph pen. So we're gonna test this one right here. So with calligraphy, anytime you go up, there is no pressure. When you come down, there is some pressure. Okay, so it says that you can swipe and try again. So let's try getting this wipey and then wiping everything. Okay, it wipes out completely, and then you can use these guys again for practice. So now I'm going to do a swatch of these pens so you can see their colors, and I believe they're gonna come out with the new ones. And so let's try them over here, and I guess we can try doing some drills. So this is applying medium pressure, and this is when I apply a lot of pressure. So if you can see, as you can see, the larger tip has a lot of flexibility. And then depending on how much pressure you apply, then you can have thicker downstrokes. Now let's see the smaller tip. Okay, the smaller tip is going to give you the same width no matter how much pressure you apply. Okay, and so another thing, if you can see here, the color is a little bit different. So we're using the same pen and the color is different. Okay, let's do the next one. This one is very vibrant, and actually this one is very similar. This one is very light, you can barely see it. Ones, the colors are very different. Let's check this one. So all the colors do go in sync with the color scheme for the box. So as you can see, the larger tip is very flexible. I really like these brush pens, the Caliograph brush pens. I do think, and hopefully they're coming up with new colors. Like I said, these are the colors of the box and the color scheme, that's why they have them, but I would like a little bit of a different color scheme when it comes to the brush pens. So let's go ahead and try this color, and I have this Tombow because I do think the larger size compares to the Tombow. Okay, so this one you already saw it, but let's do. Okay, now this is the Tombow. Okay, so one thing, the Tombow on the downstrokes, so it's a little bit easier, it's a little bit firm, and I think for beginners that might be a little bit easier to control when it comes to the pressure. This one, if you apply a lot of pressure, it can give you thicker downstrokes. So with this one I will just apply like medium pressure like that. Now I'm writing hello. This part is a little bit sped up, but I just wanted to show you the tip of the Caleograph pen, how it works, and compare to the other tip of the Tombow dual brush pen. So this is not for calligraphy, it's just for lettering, but this will be for calligraphy. So that's how these Caleograph pens will compare to the Tombow dual brush pens, but I believe the other tip of these Caleograph pens will be better compared to the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen. So as you can see, the Tombow Fudenowski and the small tip of the Caleograph pen, it is very similar in size. I also like that they're easy to control. I'm gonna say they're gonna be my new favorite as far as small tip brush pens go. And then probably my favorite part is that it has both large tip and small tip all in one pen. So I think this is very beneficial, especially for beginners. If you want to try modern calligraphy using large brush pens and small brush pens, you have both of them in one pen. As far as the color scheme, I would love to see more colors. This is not my favorite color scheme, I'm gonna be honest, but I believe they are coming with new colors, so I'm excited to see what colors they release next. So the last thing that I wanted to see is how these guys do for watercolor. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put a little bit in there, and then I'm using a brush dipped in water, and then I'm just gonna, okay, so this is one way to do it. I think it's really good for watercolor. Let's see how the Tombow does. Okay, so you can definitely do watercolor with the Caleograph pens, but one thing that I noticed is that it dries a little bit faster and that the Tombow is juicier when it comes to doing watercolor. Here's everything displayed that we unboxed today. I hope you like this unboxing. I also wanted to show you the pen and accessory bag with the acrylograph pens and a Tombow for comparison. And also these little guys, I still don't know how I'm going to use them, so if you have any ideas of how to use these little ones, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so overall, I think this box is totally worth it. If you are a stationery lover, you would appreciate all the attention to detail that each product has, and also the amazing quality of each one of them. Overall, for everything that I'm getting on this box, I know that it's worth it. One of the cool things about the subscription box is that it's filled with limited edition products and some other products that have not been released before, like the Caleograph pens, which I'm really excited about those. And one of the best things that I love about this company is that I do care also for the well-being. It is a woman-owned company, so that is another plus. And so those are the little things that I looked for when I'm purchasing a product, and so this one is definitely one that I would recommend for you. If you love everything that was included in the box, I'll definitely recommend it. Again, this was not a sponsor, I'm not an affiliate yet, but since I love the products, I might be becoming one. So that's all for now. I hope you like this unboxing review. Again, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you want me to review any other products or unbox some of these boxes again here on this channel, make sure you leave it in the comments below, because I'm looking forward to making more of these videos. I'll see you next time.